We're now underneath the railway. Little section for mini beasts, insects, classed as. But yeah, a little home for everything for them. Yeah, they've actually designed it. Notice we used the bathtub, rabbit hutch, not used a thing over the top. Yeah, must be all sorts going on here. Interesting this place, but they've done it up for the little creatures. Wow, all the wildlife. Fascinated by these trees. They're so really unusual trees. I've never seen trees like this. How cool can you get? The trees looking like this. It's got a mysterious look. Imagine at night coming down here at night and seeing these trees. Must give you a bit of a fright. There's a museum I went to. I should do the paid section better because it'd be more interesting to see. I'll do a combined ticket next time. It'd be more better to see, more interesting. Something to do basically. Something really interesting to tell you about this tree. This was planted in 1953, the coronation year of Queen Elizabeth II. How cool can you get? So Christmas's building yard is right here, and this is the stone that's laid, and the row of shops is at the top. I will show you as I get to the top. One of the builders, one of the local shop lady from the retro street shop told me that, which was nice to know that. Bit of history for you. He built a row of shops from here all the way down this way, and just to let you know, the retro sweet shop is along here, and it's called Sugar Mountain. Definitely worth visiting because there's some of they've got like retro style sitting area that's worth checking out. But yeah, I like the retro stuff. Oh my gosh, it's really old. Oh no, it's a proper retro sweet shop, but do check it out. These are the row shops. Ted Christmas is actually a builder, and so you can see the original designs of some of the shops that haven't changed. So yeah, Ted Christmas, his surname was Christmas, so you know. You see some of the shops are slightly modernised, but you can see the ones that haven't modernised, kept it to design. Yeah, bit of history, and I didn't even know that. And it's something interesting to tell you about Forest Hill, what's happening in the next few weeks. In the next few weeks, there'll be a sign up Forest Hill saying, Forest Hill, welcome to Forest Hill, with auroras hanging over. But yeah, it's part of the museum and everything. But yeah, we'll definitely come and revisit here. It's a bit warmer. And do the same sort of thing again, but with the paid exhibition and everything. On obvious, got to visit the retro sweet shop again. It's really nice stuff in there. Awesome stuff. Anyway, off to the station, off to the trams. Exciting day is here. We're now underneath the railway at Forest Hill. We're making our way on the other side to make our way to West Croydon. I'm right here. There'll be a signpost soon, waiting for it. We're waiting a few weeks, but it'll be a bit later in the weeks to come, till the sun comes out and the flowers to bloom. It's the other side to Forest Hill. Quite a nice place. Information about Ted Christmas, I will send you a link in the description below about it. But now, waiting for a train. This is not R1, R1's the third one. To West Croydon. That's the 77583. That's the 62771. That's a Southern train. It's nice to see a Southern train now. On the same line as the London Overground, which you don't often see. Oh, it's a delayed one. Here's a delayed Southern train. Going on to Victoria. What's the number to take this way back home? It's a little bit quicker. This is a rare site. 70030 Thames Link. Don't often see these. It's a rare thing for me. Wow, I like the new Thames Link though. I ain't seen the new one. It's the first time I've seen it. It's pretty sleek. Wow. Got to about turn the train now. Let's see it from the other side. Wow. And the good thing is, one's coming in. How cool is that? $700-126. I think they're coming straight through actually. Quite a long train. I split my journey just for cheap travel, keep within zone 4. But I found something here at Norwood Junction that might interest you. Under the subway, to the other side. To tell you, here is an disused railway line and a no longer platform in use. So technically an abandoned platform. But yes, but we can see it under the subway. Because there's a little walkway you can go under there and check it out. But yeah, it's kind of here to see an abandoned, disused railway line. But everything's still intact. It's quite nice, it's here though. But we're going to go underneath there and through there and stand on the old platform and show you. Now officially on the platform, no train arriving. No train whatsoever. Because this is no longer anymore. But yeah, this is the original platform. I like the way they've done it as a walkway. They've changed it into a walkway, which is most interesting. Awesome stuff. Wow. But we know we're going to find a way to get to East Croydon from here. But yes, it's pretty cool, this is. I like it. Still got the stairways. Abandoned platform right here. How cool. Talk about this abandoned railway, they've got their own little garden there. It's quite nice. There's a fast train coming through somewhere. Don't know what side yet. Oh, here we are. You can see in the distance. The Southern Service. It'll probably be thundering through. Yeah, the abandoned railway's right up there. Continues. Gonna go up there. Get this train thundering through in a minute. Oh, it's quite windy. It's nice here anyway. Nice and open. Must remember my train's coming on this side. But yeah, I can't believe the abandoned railway's right here. On this platform. Shame it's not going to use it. I don't know why they're not using it no more. It's nice to see the Southern Service. You see it's coming through, but it's staying put. It's so awesome. The abandoned railway is right here, and it's a shame that you can't walk that. Only if it's allowed. That'd be awesome. That diesel as it thunders out. I might be getting one of these actually. I think it's one of these I'm getting to East Croydon. Very powerful. Quite a long train and all. My train is finally here. This is the one I'll be getting to East Croydon. That's the 377475.